Digimob Perth Samsung Authorized Repair Center.
Amazing customer service from the lovely Lady Kim. Recommend coming to fix your phone here for fast, efficient and effective results. Thanks. I'll be sure to come through should I ever have any further issues.
Impossible to get a hold of anybody on a Monday afternoon. Been on hold for 59 minutes. Phone message still saying you are next in the queue. Time is 4:30 p.m. Website says they are open till 5:30 p.m. Can only assume they are avoiding phone calls, so I have no confidence to bring in my phone.
Had Daniel in Perth look after my enquiry. Very, very helpful and professional. A big thank you.
Fantastic customer service from Abel and Kim. My phone was fixed exactly as described and cannot rate high enough and recommend them without hesitation.
Thanks to the fast and friendly staff providing an efficient and effective warranty service job on my Galaxy S phone.
Great service from the team, especially ever cheerful Kim and informative Abel. I appreciated the time spent with me explaining the process. Good turnover of about 7 days, though fortunate to be open on Saturday for me to collect the phone. One hiccup would be my PH battery was not charged, and was not heading home for several hours, therefore was without the use of my phone including charging time, for that time. I was frustrated when my phone was totally broken, but they fixed it in less than 5 days. I really appreciate about your perfect and professional service. Especially, Kim, thank you for making my day. My phone is working very well now, smiley face. I highly recommend this service center.